Coconut husk bricks, stronger than cement? I know it sounds impossible, but here's what's happening in the Gambia that's about to change everything we know about construction. Fortis Invicta has cracked the code on turning coconut waste into building materials that outperform traditional cement blocks. These aren't just eco-friendly alternatives, they're actually lighter, tougher, and more crack-resistant than conventional bricks. But here's the real game changer. This is part of a circular economy revolution that's transforming agricultural waste into clean energy, green jobs, and export-ready products. We're talking about a complete system where absolutely nothing goes to waste. What was once considered trash is now becoming the foundation for sustainable construction across West Africa. The future of building isn't just green, it's revolutionary. Visit www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more.